Hey sellers, hope you're doing great. Just wanted to share with you some exciting news. We have officially released our first version of our keyword research suite. It's a suite of tools. It's four main features, and I'll kind of go over those main things right now and kind of go through that. But overall, I just want to say thank you for all you guys that requested this feature from EverBee. So I'm super excited to see it actually go live and love to get your feedback on it. So I'll get my face out of the way and I'll share my screen and we'll jump into it now. So first thing we do is go to the Etsy search bar, type in any keyword of your choice. I just typed in jewelry, for example, and you're going to see this little B symbol, and then you're going to see this number here with monthly searches. This is the estimated monthly search volume for this specific keyword. So jewelry is getting about 36,600 monthly searches on Etsy. Jewelry box is getting about 7,360. Jewelry making, jewelry dish, jewelry organizer, etc., right? That you can type in any shirts or any keyword with this. It's going to take a second or two to load up. But overall, like it's super, super powerful just to get the sense of, hey, is anybody looking for this specific thing or this specific search term on Etsy? It's a common question we ask ourselves for tags. It's for titles, for just overall, like what are people searching for on Etsy? It's nice to know that EverBee shows what people are buying, but just nice to see it like a layer above that of what are they actually searching for. So we've solved this with our keyword search volume feature. So next thing I want to show you here is typically, let's type in jewelry, for example. And what you do here is you use EverBee to look at product analytics, and I'll show you that real quick. And here we are. So typically what you do is you sort by estimated revenue in the last month or estimated sales in the last month. Either one, it doesn't really matter. But the cool thing is that you can kind of see that, oh, wow, this one is absolutely crushing it, this listing here, right? And what you would normally do is just go ahead and see, hey, like I sell this type of product, like what tags are they using that I should be using as well? So what you do is here, as you guys already know, if you use EverBee, is you'd open this up and you see all the tags here. And that's awesome. You can copy those, all those good things, right? The ones that make sense, of course. But here is a cool thing that we just added to EverBee, is you could actually, the question that we have here is which tags are the best ones to use? Which tags are people actually searching for? And which one is bringing in the most traffic, getting the most eyeballs? And we've answered that now with our keyword search tool. So here we are. You see this little orange number here. If you hover over this, it's going to say estimated monthly searches on Etsy. We now have kind of revealed that each keyword here and the amount of searches that it's getting per month, super, super powerful to quickly kind of gauge whether a tag is worth it to put on your listing as well. So gifts for her is obviously a search term that's being used a lot by shoppers. A personalized gifts for mom, etc. Super, super powerful. You could do that with any of these listings, and it's just it's something that 100% a lot of people have asked us for it. We figured out a way to do it, so here we go. Very, very exciting. What's another thing that I wanted to kind of bring to your attention? So another thing is, if you're on this search on this page here, jewelry, for example, these are all the first page of this search terms, 64 listings. It's cool to see all the sales. That's great. Now, what if I wanted to see all the tags all in one go, right, with one click, and actually be able to see what is the best, most searched tags on this specific page as well? So we know that the best ones are here, but it takes a bunch of time to kind of figure out, okay, which are the best tags for across all these listings. And you can go through one by one. That's fine. You can do that. It takes some time, but you could definitely do it. Or you can just go ahead and click on Tag Analyzer here, which is a new feature. And you can analyze the search volume for every tag for these listings. So I'll show you what I mean. So click on that button. It's going to take a couple seconds to load up. And overall, in a matter of seconds, right, it pulls over 737 tags on this page, unique tags, that are across all these listings, all in a matter of a couple of seconds, as you saw. So it's already sorted by volume, search volume. But here you're going to see just the power of it, right? Like 122,000 monthly searches for obviously flower. So flower, jewelry. This is on, by the way, on these listings only, as I mentioned. Dental, okay, it's kind of a funky one. Christmas, okay. coming around. Coral, rings, ring. Yeah, basically you have all the power right here. It's already sorted for you. I mean, you can sort it, of course, by least to most. Some of these things are not performing well. But either way, it's super nice to see. And of course, you have trends as well. So you can kind of see the keyword trends. Yeah. Okay. So that's that. Those are the main things that I think I wanted to kind of go over. Oh, there's one more thing actually. So if you wanted to actually go to the keyword research here, click on this, and here you can go actually play with this. So search for a keyword. Let's say I sell shirts. I sell print-on-demand shirts, and I want to look for other keyword ideas of shirt. You could actually do this here. It's going to take a second, and it's going to go through all the keywords for the specific keyword for the specific term. And here we go. So here we are. See t-shirt 44,000. T hyphen shirt about the same because these are kind of all the same keywords. Sweatshirt, shirts for men, etc., right? It's already sorted. You can play with it and sort it as well. Of course, we have the trends for each one of these keywords also, and yeah, it's super exciting. So you can look up Halloween, for example. See what that pulls up. Okay, cool. There you go. And the cool thing is now you can, if you don't get those tag ideas for your listings, from the listings, that's fine. You can actually get them here. Just type in like a related item. Like if I sell, I don't know, jewelry, I guess, right? If I spelled that correctly, then you don't have to necessarily analyze all the tags to do that. You could achieve the same thing here and say, okay, I think this is a good tag here. Copy this. And gold jewelry, etc., jewelry sets, bridal jewelry. I don't know, right? You can get creative with it. But that's pretty much it, guys. Just wanted to share that with you. Again, super grateful for everybody in the EverBee community. And let me know if we can do anything to help you guys. Okay, talk to you soon. See ya.